All right, moving on over to problems 4 and 5. Here we go. 4 and 5, we've got, for 4, we've got a rhombus. And it is drawn this direction, which I'm always uncomfortable drawing towards the left. I don't know why. There's our rhombus. And they give us that this is 6 and this is 8. And they want to know what the perimeter of the rhombus is. Now remember, the rhombus meets perpendicularly in the middle there, and the diagonals are all bisected. So that means we know that the rest of this is 6 and this is 8, but they want the perimeter, which means we need this side here. And we can also employ that all sides of a rhombus are congruent on the outside. So let's take a look at our 6, 8 something triangle. Oh, this is a family, right? 6, 8 something. If we divide by 2, we get 3, 4. That'll make it a 5. So that means that's got to be a 10. So our perimeter is 40. Easy peasy. All right, number 5. Find the altitude of the triangle shown. So they're showing us an equilateral triangle. So 6 and 6. And we got to find the altitude, so we drop down the altitude, right angle. Well, remember, equilateral triangles, all the angles are 60 because they're all the same. So this is a 30, 60, 90. Either one of them you can pick. And the altitude drops down. It splits this side into 3 and 3. We need to find this piece here. So we've got 3, we've got 6. So this means that the altitude, x, will be 3 square root 3. This is so easy, Mrs. Carty. We're going to do great. Okay, so number 6. I'm going to put 6 on with this one because it's been pretty short. All right. Vale skied 2 kilometers north, 2 kilometers west, 1 kilometer north, and 2 kilometers west. How far was she from her starting point? Vale, that's an interesting name for a gal. Not interesting. Okay, so this is one where you have to have a starting point. So put your pencil on the paper, and you're going to go 2 kilometers north. So north being this way. And then 2 kilometers west, west being this way, 2. Oh, that's kind of, sorry, that wasn't very perpendicular. And then 1 kilometer north, that's 1. And then 2 kilometers west. How far was she from her starting point? So we can draw a line. That's how far she is from her starting point. Well, remember, we've got a right triangle in here. So this side is all of her norths added up. So there's 2 plus 1 is 3. And all of her wests added up. So that's 2 plus 2 is 4. Oh, it's a 3, 4, 5. She's 5 kilometers from her starting point. All right. I'm going to cut this one, and we'll do probably 7, 8, and 9 on the next clip.